Pacific Rim, 1 hour and 20 minutes and 57 seconds into the movie. Gonna play 30 seconds roughly. Back it up the volume to -10. Back it up the volume to reference level 0. Okay, going to 0. Keep in mind at the very beginning, that's just everything on, nothing playing obviously because you can hear my voice. And don't forget the reading on the meter, you got to move that decimal point 1 to the left because the splitter multiplies it times 10. So if it says 21 amps, it's really 2.1. You get the point.